is it?
How about looking at it now? Help her open that up, David.
Come here.
What is it?
What is it, Charisma?
I don't know.
Come here. Don't turn it back. Here.
What is it, Charisma?
I remembered!
You remembered what?
I remembered this!
What is it?
I know it! It's the kitchen I want!
Yeah!
The little kitty I wanted!
Here, open this one.
Yeah. Got it. But Mama, where's the...
Open the present, honey.
Mama, aha!
Aha! I'm not taking a picture, baby. What you think?
It looks good, Mama.